Hello students, today we shall start Standard 11th Mathematics and Statistics Arts and Science Part 1. We shall start with first chapter, Angle and its measurement. In this, first let us see what is the meaning of directed angles. Directed angles, see we are having one ray, this is OA, this is known as initial arm. Now if we are rotating this in an anti-clockwise direction, we are getting this ray OB. This is known as terminal arm. So this is known as BOA. This is known as directed angle because we are rotating it in a particular direction. Now depending on the direction, we call the angle as positive or negative. Now what is the positive angle? See here we are rotating this initial arm in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Then this angle is known as positive angle. यहाँ पर एंगल है पॉजिटिव, दिख रहा है एरो. We are rotating it in anti-clockwise direction. Here we are rotating, see this is initial arm, we are rotating it in clockwise direction. Now here the angle which you are getting, this is known as negative angle. So anti-clockwise direction positive and clockwise direction negative. याद रखने का, this is positive and this is negative angle. Say what is the meaning of zero angle? Zero angle. If the ray OA has zero rotation, see in this you can see ray OA इसका rotation zero है. So it does not rotate. Initial arm itself is the terminal arm OB. So initial arm and terminal arm both are one and same. The angle so formed is known as zero angle. Here the angle is zero. One rotation angle. Say after one complete rotation, if the initial ray coincides with the terminal ray OB, say initial ray OA है, एक complete round होने के बाद में, it is coinciding with this terminal ray. So OA and OB, they are one and same here. They are coinciding. Then this angle so formed is known as one rotation angle. So here it is 360 degree, and अगर उल्टा rotate किया तो it will become minus 360 degree. Straight angle. Say after the rotation, if the initial ray OA and terminal ray OB are in opposite direction. See this is our initial ray OA. After rotation, we are getting this ray OB. This ray OB is known as terminal ray. Both are in opposite direction. This angle is known as straight angle. So see this angle is plus 180 degree and this angle is minus 180 degree. So plus 180 minus 180, they are known as straight angle. See next is right angle. 1/4 of one complete rotation. 1/4 of one rotation angle is called as one right angle. See angle AOB. It is 1/4. It is known as right angle. In the same way angle AOB dash. This is also a right angle. This is plus 90 degree. This is minus 90 degree. Now see angles in standard position. What is the meaning of angles in standard position? See this is x-axis and this is y-axis. In the rectangular coordinate system, a directed angle with its vertex at origin. Angle का जो vertex है, it is at origin. Initial ray along positive x-axis, it is called angle in standard position. So see here angle XOP देखो. Angle XOP. Where is the vertex? Vertex is at origin. Correct? Initial ray, it is along positive direction of x-axis. So angle XOP is known as angle in standard position. In the same way, angle XOQ. Vertex is at origin. Initial arm, it is along x-axis, positive direction of x-axis. So this angle XOQ is also known as angle in standard position. Angle XOR is also known as angle in standard position. So what are the conditions for an angle to be in standard position? Vertex should be at origin and the initial ray, it should be along positive x-axis. So XOP, याद रखने का, XOQ, XOR, all these angles are angles in standard position. Next you take angle in a quadrant. A directed angle in standard position is said to be in a particular quadrant if its terminal ray lies in that quadrant. So terminal ray कौन से quadrant में है? We say that the angle belongs to that particular quadrant. See this figure. In this figure, here the terminal arm or the terminal ray, it is lying in first quadrant. So angle XOP, we say that the angle lies in first quadrant. Angle XOQ, this is second quadrant. So we say that angle XOQ lies in second quadrant. In the same way, angle XOR, it lies in third quadrant. So you have to see in which quadrant this terminal arm lies. If the terminal arm is in first quadrant, we say that the angle is in first quadrant. If it is in second quadrant, we say that it is in second quadrant. Third में रहेगा तो third, fourth में रहेगा तो fourth. Quadrantal angles. A directed angle in standard position whose terminal ray lies along x-axis or y-axis is called a quadrantal angle. So terminal ray, it lies along x-axis or y-axis. It is known as quadrantal angle. See in this figure, angle POQ. दिख रहा है angle POQ. OP is initial arm and OQ is the terminal ray. Terminal ray किधर है यहाँ पर? Along y-axis. दिख रहा है 90 degree. So this is known as quadrantal angle. Angle POQ is quadrantal angle. Angle POR is also quadrantal angle. Angle POS, it is also quadrantal angle. So quadrantal angle का मतलब क्या है? A directed angle in standard position, angle should be in standard position and terminal ray should lie along x-axis or y-axis is called quadrantal angle. So 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree or minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree, all these angles are quadrantal angles. Co-terminal angle. Directed angles of different amount of rotation having the same position of initial rays and terminal rays are called co-terminal angles. Directed angles, different amount of rotation, but the position of initial ray and terminal ray is same. See this figure. See angle AOB दिख रहा है इसमें. Angle AOB 30 degree है. Again angle AOB, यहाँ से start किया. It is how much? 390 degree. So 390 degree and 30 degree. The initial ray and the terminal ray both are coinciding. In the same way minus 330 degree, अगर OA को अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में रोटेट किया हमने, again we are getting AOB, this is minus 330, so minus 330 degree, 30 degree and 390 degree. The initial ray and terminal ray, they are coinciding, means एक के ऊपर एक आ रहा है, same आ रहा है. So these three angles are known as co-terminal angle. So meaning समझ में आ गया? See if two directed angles are co-terminal angles, then difference between measures of those two directed angles is an integral multiple of 360 degree. अगर दो directed angle अगर co-terminal angle है तो दोनों का जो difference रहेगा, it is multiple of 360 degree. जैसा 390 degree and 330 degree. What is 390 minus minus 330? 390 minus minus 330, we get 720, which is 2 into 360 degree. Correct है? So दो angle का difference, if it is integral multiple of 360 degree, then the two angles are known as co-terminal angles. इसके ऊपर हम सम्स सोल्व करेंगे बाद में. सी मेजर्स ऑफ एंगल. हाउ टू मेजर ऑफ एंगल. 10th क्लास तक हमने एंगल मेजर किया था डिग्री में. 10th क्लास तक हमने पढ़ा था डिग्री मेजर और सेक्साडेसिमल सिस्टम. सो सेक्साडेसिमल सिस्टम में वी मेजर इन डिग्री. अभी 11th और इसके आगे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे सर्कुलर सिस्टम और रेडियन मेजर. वी शैल मेजर द एंगल इन रेडियन. Now what is the meaning of radian? What is the meaning of degree? We shall see here. See in sexagesimal system, degree measure. What we do here? One rotation is divided into 360 equal part. The measure of each part is called as 1 degree angle. So एक complete rotation को 360 equal part में divide करने का, and each part is known as 1 upon 360th part of one complete rotation is called 1 degree and it is denoted by 1. ऊपर एक छोटा circle डाल देने का. We read this as 1 degree. So 1 degree का मतलब 1 upon 360th part of complete rotation. See, this 1 upon 360th part of 1 degree is called 1 minute. It is denoted by 1 ऊपर एक डैश डाल देने का. So 1 degree का 60 parts करने का, and each part is known as 1 minute. 1/60th part of 1 minute is called 1 second. It is denoted by 1 ऊपर double dash. करेक्ट है. So 1 minute का 60 part करना, and each part is known as 1 second. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Okay. now let us see circular system और रेडियन मेजर क्या होता है. उसके लिए ये फिगर देखो पहले यहाँ पर. see in this figure ये सर्कल का रेडियस कितना है r. और ये r के बी यू कैन सी r के बी का लेंथ भी है r. करेक्ट है. द एंगल विच इज सबटेंडेड एट द सेंटर बाय दिस आर्क ए बी, इट इज नोन एज 1 रेडियन. ऊपर c दिख रहा है, 1 रेडियन को हम ऐसे लिखते हैं 1 ऊपर c. वी रीड दिस एज 1 रेडियन. सो 1 रेडियन का मीनिंग क्या है? 1 रेडियन का मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पर नीचे डेफिनेशन दिया है. 1 रेडियन इज द मेजर ऑफ एन एंगल subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. So arc ka length is radius of the circle r, and the angle subtended by this arc AB at the center of circle is known as 1 radian. So meaning समझ में आ गया. एक arc का लेंथ है r और सेंटर में जो एंगल सबटेंड कर रहा है इट इज नोन एज 1 रेडियन. Now tell me, एक कंप्लीट सर्कल का कितना रेडियन होता है? एक कंप्लीट सर्कल बोल तो कितना हो गया? 2 पाई r. सी r का 1 रेडियन होता है, सो 2 पाई r का कितना रेडियन होएगा? 2 पाई रेडियन. सो 2 पाई रेडियन का वैल्यू होता है 360 डिग्री. हम आगे देखेंगे अभी. सी हियर, इफ द लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इज r which is equal to radius of the circle, then the angle subtended by this arc at the center is known as 1 radian. So complete circle is how much? 2 pi r. So 2 pi r means the complete circle. What is the angle subtended at the center? 360 degree. 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree we get. और pi radian equal to 180 degree. ये याद रखने का. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. और 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. So remember, 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi. Pi का वैल्यू है 22 upon 7. So 1 radian is 180 upon pi degree, which is approximately equal to 57.3248 degree. So एक रेडियन का कितना डिग्री होता है? 57.3248. इसको बाहर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. To convert radian into degree. To convert radian into degree. See, 1 radian is 180 upon pi degree. So to convert radian into degree, multiply by 180 upon pi. Radian को into 180 upon pi करो, डिग्री में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. Now again we know that 1 degree equal to pi radian. So 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. Pi upon 180 radian. So to convert degree into radian, multiply by pi upon 180. सो ये दो चीज याद रखने का. रेडियन से डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 180 अपॉन पाई. डिग्री टू रेडियन मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई अपॉन 180. एंड ऑल्सो रिमेंबर, पाई रेडियन इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. पाई अपॉन 2 रेडियन कितना होगा? 90 डिग्री. पाई अपॉन 3 रेडियन कितना होगा? 60 डिग्री, एंड सो ऑन. दिस यू ट्राई टू रिमेंबर. टेक एक्सरसाइज 1.1 क्वेश्चन 1a. Determine which are coterminal angles. See here, two angles are given, pairs of angles are given. We have to find whether they are coterminal or not. See, first question you see 210 degree minus 150 degree. So what we have to do here? First angle minus second angle. 210 minus 150. Minus into minus is what? Plus. So 210 plus 150. How much we get? 360. So it is equal to 1 into 360 degree, which is integral multiple of 360 degree. So the difference of these two angles should be integral multiple of 360. So here 1 into 360 we are getting. So 210 degree and minus 150 degree are coterminal. So again I am repeating, first angle minus second angle. if it is integral multiple of 360 degree, then the given angles are coterminal. Second sum, you see 360 degree minus 30 degree. 360 minus 30. How much you get? 360 plus 30. Minus into minus is plus. 360 plus 30 is 390 degree. It is not an multiple of 360 degree. So not an integral multiple of 360 degree. So 360 degree and minus 30 degree are not coterminal angles. Question 3. Minus 180 degree, 540 degree. See, minus 180 minus 540. First angle minus second angle. So minus 180 minus 540. How much we get? Minus 720. Minus 720 can be written as minus 2 into 360 degree. So minus 2 is an integer. So it is integral multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, minus 180 degree and 240 degree are coterminal angles. Fourth sum, minus 405 degree and 675 degree. So this can be written as minus 405 minus 675. Minus 405 minus 675 is how much? Minus 1080. It can be written as minus 3 into 360 degree. 3 into 360 is 1080. So this can be written as minus 3 into 360. Now it is integral multiple of 360 degree. So minus 405 and 675 degree are coterminal angles. Question 5. 860 degree, 580 degree. 860 minus 580. 860 minus 580 is how much? 280 degree. It is not an integral multiple of 360 degree. इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल ऑफ 360. 360 का मल्टीपल आता है क्या? नहीं आता है. So 860 degree and 580 degree are not co-terminal angles. 900 degree minus 900 degree. 900 minus 900. See, first angle minus second angle. So 900 minus 900. How much we get? Minus into minus plus. 900 plus 900 is 1800. 1800 can be written as 5 into 360. So 1800 degrees 5 into 360 degree, which is integral multiple of 360 degree. Therefore 900 degree and minus 900 degree are coterminal angles. See next sum, exercise 1.1, question number 1b. Draw the angles and determine their quadrants. ये एंगल को ड्रॉ करने का है और इसका क्वाड्रेंट फाइंड करने का है. माइनस 140 डिग्री. सी माइनस 140 डिग्री का मीनिंग कितना होता है? माइनस 90 एंड माइनस 50. करेक्ट है ना? दिस कैन बी रिटन एज माइनस 90 and minus 50 degree. See, minus 90 means from here to here minus 90 and from here to here minus 50. So our angle will come in which quadrant? First, second, third. The angle is in third quadrant. समझ में आ गया? Minus 140 means minus 90 minus 50. Minus 90 means ये quadrant cover हो गया and minus 50 means it will come here. So this is first, second, third quadrant. See, next is 250 degree. 250 degree means 180 plus 70. Correct? It is equal to 180 degree plus 70 degree. Now see, from here to here it is 180 and here to here it is 70. So again, which quadrant it is coming? The angle is in third quadrant. See, next is 420 degree. 420 degree means it can be written as 360 plus 60. 360 बोलते एक complete round and उसके बाद में 60 degree. See here, one complete round and then 60 degree. It will come in which quadrant? The angle is in first quadrant. समझ में आ गया? 420 means from here to here 360 and 360 plus 60 is 420. So it will come in first quadrant. Fourth question, 750 degree. See, 750 degree means 720 plus 30. 720 can be written as 2 into 360 plus 30. यानी कि दो complete round and 30 degree. See in this figure, one round complete, second round complete and ऊपर 30 degree. Which quadrant it will come? It will come in first quadrant. 945 degree. 945 means 720 plus 225. करेक्ट है? 720 बोलते दो राउंड, 360 प्लस 360 2 कंप्लीट राउंड एंड 225. 225 मीन्स 180 प्लस 45. हाँ, सो दो कंप्लीट राउंड, फिर उसके बाद में एक 180 डिग्री हाफ राउंड एंड देन 45 डिग्री. सी इन दिस फिगर यू कैन सी फर्स्ट राउंड कंप्लीट, second round complete, then 180 and then 45. Which quadrant it comes? It comes in third quadrant. 1120 degree. 1120 degree means 1080 plus 40. Correct? It is equal to 1080 plus 40. 1080 means 3 into 360 plus 40. 3 into 360 plus 40. So 3 complete round and then 40 degree. It will come which quadrant? It will come in first quadrant. Seventh sum you take minus 80 degree. Very simple. From here you take minus 80 degree. It will come in first, second, third, fourth quadrant. Eighth sum you take minus 330. Minus 330 can be written as minus 270 minus 60. माइनस 270 में सी एक 90, ये 90 180, यहाँ तक माइनस 270 एंड उसके बाद में माइनस 60. सो इट विल कम लाइक दिस. अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. माइनस 270 में सी फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर माइनस 90, टिल हियर माइनस 180, टिल हियर माइनस 270 एंड माइनस 270 एंड अगेन माइनस 60. सो इट विल कम इन विच क्वाड्रेंट? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. say minus 500 degree. Minus 500 degree is minus 360, minus 90, minus 50. Correct है? Minus 360, then उसके बाद में minus 90, then minus 50. See minus 360 means one complete round in negative direction, then minus 90 one more quadrant, and then उसके बाद में minus 50. So you can see here one complete round, then 90 degree, and then 50 degree. It will come in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Here see minus 820 means minus 720 minus 100. So minus 720 minus 90 minus 10. Minus 720 means 1, 2, 2 complete round in negative direction. Then again minus 90 and then minus 10. It will come in which quadrant? It will come in third quadrant.